How to buy and sell cars to make money online. Welcome to my channel. Buying and selling cars online offers a promising avenue for profit. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-fledged business, we will explore the key strategies and steps to make money in the world of online car sales. From effective market research to smart pricing strategies and exceptional customer service, we'll cover the essentials to help you succeed in this lucrative venture. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Customer service. Exceptional customer service is crucial when buying and selling cars online. Promptly respond to inquiries, provide accurate vehicle information, and be transparent about the vehicle's condition and history. Accommodate test drives and inspections to build trust with potential buyers. During the selling process, ensure all paperwork and documentation are handled professionally and efficiently. Maintaining open and honest communication throughout the transaction enhances your reputation and can lead to repeat business and referrals, ultimately increasing your online car buying and selling profits. Number 4. Pricing strategy. A well-thought-out pricing strategy is pivotal for success in the online car buying and selling business. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand pricing trends and competitor rates. Consider the vehicle's condition, mileage, age, and any repairs or upgrades you've made. Set a competitive yet profitable price that reflects these factors. Be open to negotiation, but also establish a clear bottom line to ensure you don't sell at a loss. A balanced pricing strategy helps attract potential buyers and maximizes your profits when buying and selling cars online. Balancing competitiveness with profitability ensures you can capitalize on market demand while safeguarding your earnings in the online car buying and selling business. Number 3. Effective marketing. Effective marketing is essential when buying and selling cars online. Create compelling listings with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions that highlight a vehicle's key features and condition. Utilize online marketplaces like Craigslist, eBay Motors, or specialized car-selling platforms to reach a broader audience. Leverage the power of social media by sharing listings and engaging with potential buyers in local groups or forums. Actively respond to inquiries, provide additional information, and encourage test drives. Building a strong online presence and promoting your listings strategically can significantly increase your chances of selling cars quickly and profitably online. Number 2. Sourcing inventory. Sourcing inventory wisely is a critical step in the online car buying and selling business. Explore various channels, including auctions, private sellers, trade-ins, or even salvage yards to find vehicles at competitive prices. Prioritize thorough vehicle inspections to assess their condition and identify any necessary repairs or improvements. Calculate all costs, including acquisition, repair, and holding costs, to ensure profitability. Specialize in niches or vehicle types that align with your expertise and market demand. Effective sourcing ensures you acquire quality inventory that can be resold at a profit, forming the foundation of your online car selling success. Number 1. Market research. Effective market research is the foundation of success in the online car buying and selling business. Start by studying the used car market in your area, identifying popular makes and models, pricing trends, and demand fluctuations. Delve into niche markets or specializations that may offer profitable opportunities. Utilize online resources like classified websites and pricing guides to gather data. Regularly monitor market dynamics to stay informed about changing trends. Well-informed market research enables you to make informed decisions when sourcing, pricing, and marketing vehicles, ultimately increasing your chances of making money online through car buying and selling. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.